If you're seeing the OneDrive error that says cloud provider is not running, don't worry, this usually means OneDrive needs a quick reset or a sync setting needs to be adjusted. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step, and if the tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows fixes. Let's start with the quickest solution: resetting OneDrive. Resetting does not delete your files. It simply forces the app to restart its sync engine and reconnect properly. To do that, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Then type this command exactly as shown. C, Program Files, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive.exe/reset. After that, press Enter. Now wait about a minute. During this time, OneDrive may disappear from the taskbar and then come back on its own. That's a good sign because it means the reset worked. If the OneDrive icon does not come back automatically, open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and launch it manually. If you're still getting the error after resetting, the next thing to check is Files on Demand. This error can happen when OneDrive gets stuck trying to manage online-only files. The fix is to download all of your OneDrive files locally. First, click the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar notification area. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to show hidden icons. Once OneDrive is open, click the gear icon for Help and Settings, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, go to Sync and Backup, or on some older versions, go to the Account tab. Then open Advanced Settings. Look for the Files on Demand option and choose Download all OneDrive files now. This tells OneDrive to keep the files on your PC, which can clear up the sync issue and stop the cloud provider error. If the problem still isn't fixed, there's one more important thing to check: the OneDrive service status. Sometimes the issue is not on your computer at all. It could be a temporary Microsoft service problem. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Service Status page at status.cloud.microsoft. From there, check whether OneDrive is having any outages or service disruptions. If OneDrive is reporting an issue there, the best solution may simply be to wait until Microsoft resolves it. But if the service is normal, then the reset and Files on Demand steps are usually enough to get OneDrive working again. So to recap, first reset OneDrive using the Run command, then make sure your files are downloaded locally by turning off the Files on Demand limitation, and finally check the Microsoft status page if needed. These steps solve the cloud provider is not running error in most cases without deleting your data. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss more Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.